Best qualities of a Web3 BD: something that will help you stand out, something that will help you to get a good job, and also get a good going in the Web3 BD or sales or whatever growth role that you are taking. Number one thing is going to be the battle between the skill and the will. Every hiring manager and every person, when you're thinking about what kind of people do you want to hire, you want to hire someone who will be able to do the work, who will not count the hours, but will be driven by the impact. Especially it's important in sales. The impact that we create is going to be revenue and growth of the company. We support the bloodline. So think about the CEO, think about the managers. What kind of people do they want to hire? They want to hire someone who knows how to do the thing, but at the same time, the person wants to do the thing. Because the problem is that you or I, like anyone, can teach someone to sell if you have the willingness to learn. But no one can teach you to do the thing, even if you know how to do the thing, if you do not want. Like it's the same thing. You know, if you like a girl, you will do whatever you need to go and conquer her. But if you don't like it, it just doesn't matter. Like you are not going to go an extra mile for her, for the person that you don't like. So you need the will. It consists of your hungriness, how willing are you to do things, to get things, and ability to implement feedback. This is essentially a part of the point that it's better to hire someone and teach them, like someone who wants to make money, someone who wants to learn, and then teach them and make sure that they are coachable, because then they will basically pick up and they will learn the skill, versus hiring someone who has the skill but doesn't like to work or is lazy or whatever. And being able to implement feedback is another very important side of the coin, where you have ability to say, okay, like I'm doing the thing. Once you're doing the thing, you're learning from your peers, from your management, from someone that's helping you, saying that, hey, you need to do X, Y, Z. If you implement the feedback immediately, you will see the results, you will see your growth, and you will become a very good, high quality BD very fast. That's it. That's the most important secret. So if you're thinking, okay, I'm not ready, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to sell this, don't worry about that. Make sure that you are capable and willing to be in the position to make money. Make sure that you're coachable, and that's the two things that you want. And the good people will see your potential. So if you are ever thinking about joining Web3 Sales Gym community on Telegram, the link is below. If you want to DM me, I'm gonna also leave my contact for Telegram below. And it was a pleasure, guys. See you.